Hi everyone, this is Vanessa Pennington. I chose to do my video recording on Target. As we can see here, it's clearly just Target.com. Here's a nice logo of Target's logo. It's also up here in the web browser, which is pretty neat. And of course, the main focus on Target is to sell you products. They have nice deals in the very beginning. Everything's clean. There's their main product. We're getting ready for school. The homepage, I think, is very visually appealing. Everything's clean cut on it. It's not foggy. You can clearly see there's different categories depending on what you're looking for. The search engine is up here on the top. If whatever you want to look for a product, just type it in. You can see what Target has to offer or what store it's in. For social media, it's down here at the bottom. It's under social, so you have to click on it instead of it just having the Facebook little logo with a button to click on it. You have to actually click on social to go to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, which I found was a little different. I prefer the websites that just have the logo of everything else. So once we click on Facebook, a pop-up's coming up saying we're leaving Target. Just want to make you aware. We check out their Facebook page. Target mainly uses social media for additional advertising or what's going on in the stores. Just a heads up of new products that they're going to be launching, things that are on sale. So I definitely enjoy Target on all their deals. Now, when we come back here to the main Target website, stay on Target.com. When we come back here to the main Target website, I think it's easy to navigate. If I wanted to look for kids, anything in the kids department, it's one click away, and I could search based on what child I'm looking for, or if I wanted to look for a specific product, like a Apple Watch, it knows what I'm looking for and it auto populates for me. You click on Apple Watch Series 4. The first thing that comes up are Apple Watches, all Series 4, different specs. This one is the cellular, different colors. Then we're coming into Apple Watch Series 3, and of course accessories for your expensive Apple Watches. Additional advertisement wise, if we come towards the bottom of the website, you'll see there's a Target ad, and there's additional advertisement from third-party sellers, best deals today, online deals. So they do have ads, but they keep them towards the bottom of their website, as well as sponsors. So if we were to click on any of these, they do take us to a third-party website, and now we've navigated away from Target. We didn't get the same pop-up notification like we did when we were checking out their Facebook page. This one we just click in and takes us right to a third-party site. So I'm a big fan of Target products. I like their website. It's, for me, I use it every now and again. I use the Target app mostly, but I like the fact that the deals are here. You can click around and see the deals for our location here in Boise, and everything is here. It's easy to access. I think it's just a clean, general, overall website. I definitely would give it 2 thumbs up. So, I hope you liked the video.